What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We are back for another video. Still out in Ontario Mills because they got so many freaking shops. But yeah, let's go check out some of the regular sneaker shops. Crowded as hell, man. This is one of the most crowded malls you'll ever see. Dude got a Footlocker. It is freaking huge. Freaking huge. You see the size. Tons of square footage. Tons of sneakers. All right, let's go. Grade school infrareds? That's definitely surprising. Okay. They always have like the return sneakers up here. Someone returned some, what is those? Preschool dunks? Preschool black and white dunks? Okay. This is their Jordan section. They usually don't get any releases here because this is technically an outlet location. If they have any retros, it's usually a return. But yeah, that's what they got. Look at how they crammed the sneakers in, man. They just got so many things here. Crazy. So no Jordan retro. This is the type of stuff they got here. Thought this was interesting. They do have multiple colorways of the Zion 2s. So that's definitely interesting. Guess I haven't been to too many retail shops, mostly the Nike outlets lately. Zion 2s got multiple colorways. Okay. What are they going for? These are going for what, 120? And then they still got Zion 1s, which is interesting. Okay, I don't even think I saw this colorway. Okay. Alright. Man, I've been meaning to make a video like comparing them to, man. Haven't gotten around to it. Been busy as hell with work, my bad, you guys. Why not 0.5's got these. These are going for 130. Okay. Damn, always dropping stuff. Alright. Those are right here. KD 15s. We've been checking these out like crazy. Especially on sale, man. That's been dope. Maybe it's just certain colorways because some are new, some sell, some don't. Dude got a bunch of colorways of the KDs. Haven't seen this many colorways like anywhere. I don't think I have. Maybe I just haven't been to too many retail shops lately because I have been focusing on the Nike outlets. I'm not gonna lie. Dude got PG 6s. I don't think I'm a fan of this silhouette. Then the Zoom Freak 3s. And it's going for 80. I think I bought mine for like 30 something. And then Kyrie's. There's like 50 different Kyrie colors. I think this is my favorite one. Like camo one, or partial camo. I've never seen that one. $140 for this one. Oh, okay. Most of them are 130. I guess that's the newest colorway because we know all the Nikes are going up by $10. Well, all shoes in general are going up right now. Like even the Vans and stuff like that. 110 for that one. We saw the clearance store. We saw one going for what, $60? I think it was size 12. But yeah, we're checking out all the basketball sneakers for y'all. Keepsu Fresh one, been seeing that on sale at a few spots. And then this one, I've never seen this one. Okay. I'm sure you guys know what that is. Some of y'all, I have no clue. The One World, One People colorway right here. This is a huge one right here. $90. Then they even got the lows, the Kyrie Low 5s. These are 110 for these. So they got the KD 15s down low and then the 14s up here. I don't really understand that. 150 for these. And then this is the On Pearl colorway, right? Yeah, the On Pearl colorway right there. Okay. All right, we've seen all the Puma suedes go on sale and now we are seeing these on sale. Okay. They have this one and they also have a Minecraft Diamond Pixel one. And yeah, I don't know if let me call my kid, see if he wants one of these. He's been liking just the athletic sneakers, man. He likes stuff that's really comfy. These aren't the most comfy. They look dope, but they're not the most comfy. And then we've seen the Mellow colorway on sale. Pretty much seen every colorway on sale lately, to be really honest. Suedes, man, like they're just trying to get rid of all of them. Normally, what, $80 a piece? All kinds of them on sale, man. Seriously, like the whole freaking wall on sale. Oh my goodness. Those are the ones we need on sale. Both of those were at the Reebok outlets, so if you've been to the Reebok outlets, y'all would know. Not today though. These on sale? Holy crap. Maybe I've seen them on sale before. We've seen these on sale. Also seen these on sale lately. This is a huge size. And then we've seen these even at the Reebok outlet on sale. Okay. And then the newest colorway, we've seen these before. 160 now. So they also got these right here. I don't know if they just got one or two of these. I got a big old piece of hair right there too. Dang, dude. At least get your hair out of there. But yeah, I guess they got a couple of these. Like I said, they don't really get any releases like that, so those are all returns and stuff. If you need them, I guess I would ask. All right, let's go check out the next shops, or the next few shops. All right, next really packed store. Dude got a Champs. All right, let's go. Let's go. They do got the 2.0 setup here, so probably gonna take me a little bit longer to find everything. Checking out the women's section, but we're like seeing a lot of the stuff that we've seen already. Like we've seen these at the Nike outlets for similar, same price. But yeah, a lot of these on sale. Do got some Air Max Plus right here, all white ones. All the other colors are not on sale. This is like the only Air Max Plus. All the other ones are Vapor Max Plus. That's kind of funny. Air Max 97s. We've seen a lot of these on sale lately. Dude, that's not bad. That's not bad. And then 130 for the black and white. Okay. In the men's section, no such luck. You got the Air Max Plus right here on sale. Similar price to the women's, but everything else, regular price. Oh wait, we do have all these Air Max Pluses on sale. Okay, so we do have Air Max Pluses on sale. Not much of the other Air Maxes on sale though. The Terra Escape ones, is this Terra Escape ones I think? Okay. I think this is the performance basketball section right here. Kyrie 5 lows, first time I've ever seen this colorway. Colorway's pretty nice, pretty nice. These are going for $120. Got a black version of that one as well. $120, even at the retail shop. So the LeBrons are on sale. All the other ones still $150. That's kind of the price point that we've seen all the LeBrons, except on the Nike website. We've seen it fairly cheap. And then the Kyrie's kind of on sale like that other spot. Bunch of them on sale. Got a couple Ultra Boosts on sale. Nothing too crazy. You know, we've seen all this stuff. I've never seen this colorway, but we've seen tons of Ultra Boosts on sale lately. All right, kind of a little bit of the same stuff that we've seen at most other retail shops. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, this mall is packed as hell. Look at that, the trash can up to the brim, even higher than that. Like certain parts of the mall are just crazy. Man, I haven't seen malls packed like this in a while. Apparently economy ain't going down at all, because look at this is insane. Build the Bear Workshop got a huge line. Even the Lego store got a line, man. All right, forget all those lines. All right, Shoe Palace, at least they don't have a line. Let's go see what they got. Start with their Jordan section. Remember, they do not get releases. Pretty much any of the stores here, they just don't get releases at all. Like they probably ended up getting these like way later in one of the later shipments. But yeah, dude, got the 7s with a nice material on it. Got some mids, Comfort 11s, some 6s, rings, yeah. Center cords going for regular price. These are on sale for 90, so 8.5. Material on some of the materials like super nice, dude. They do got these size. I haven't seen these anywhere. Dude, these were on the Nike website, freaking for what, 30% off. Hes Kicks noticed everybody, and man, I got that notice late. But yeah, this is the first time I've ever seen these. This is the first time I've ever seen these in hand. Like I've seen people wear it and stuff, but obviously I didn't touch it and stuff. Totally feels like the Yeezy Slide, dude. Like obviously the texture is a little different, but the way the cushioning is, the way the material is, yeah, it seems very similar to the Yeezy Slides. $55 for these. Like I said, I've never seen these. These are the Adelaide 22s. Okay. I really want these, but do I really want to pay $55 plus tax? That's almost $60. I'm gonna have to pass, man. I have so many slides at home. I don't have any of these though. I don't have anything that looks like this. Guess I do have the Yeezy ones, but man. Damn, I kind of want them, but I'm gonna put them back. I'm gonna be good. Do got a bunch of these. Apparently these are one of the best-selling sneakers that Adidas has. That's kind of hilarious, probably because they look like the Yeezys, but they're not. But apparently these sell hella well. The Oswego's, I don't know, but apparently these sell really good. Yeah, I was floored to hear that. That's just Azaleas. That's what they're called. Yeah, that's funny. Ultra Boost on sale for $90. Pretty much cheap as the outlets, man. These have been $130 forever. Like I thought the price would go down. These are the Lego collab, and then a bunch of Shoe Palace have had these forever. The DNA, $110 for these. All right, let's talk about some of the Vans. Do got the Skate Lows. These are going for 40, 40 as well. Normally these are what, 80 bucks, just 75 something. Another one. These are women's, I believe, going for 40. The old schools, this has some great material on it. 50 bucks for these. Canvas ones, who knows? They're on sale though. Then got these old schools. More of these on sale, go for $30. This looks like a women's. And then got these just canvas regular ones, go for 30. More skate lows, go for 40. Is this reflective? I think this is one with reflective material on it. Okay, a little different from Vans, all right. Then some old schools going for 30 right here, okay. All right, more skate lows, tons of Vans on sale. 40 for these as well, okay. This one's 20, and these is even cheaper, 20 bucks. And then these still remind me of Keds though, man. I can't wear these. But yeah, $30 for those. Checking the women's. Man, $40 for the Forrest Gumps. The Elevates, we're already seen these. These were the travesty Jordan ones that, you know, everybody's like, damn, dude, these are awful. But yeah, $80. If you like them, you like them. Who cares what everybody else thinks? So $120 for these. Okay. Air Max 97s, $100 for these. Okay. Still in the women's section, by the way. This would trips me out because look, they have these Donny Shoe 2s, which are old. They're still $100. They're not even on sale. What's up with that? Yeah, like that just doesn't make sense to me. Got multiple colorways. None of them are on sale. They do got these on sale though. Oh, I was hoping this is the one with the suede on it. No, it's not, man. Dang it. Because there's one with the blue suede on the back. Looks ridiculously dope. These are $70. That's a hell of a price. Kind of do want one of the T-Max at least, because this might be his last silhouette, because he canceled his or they didn't renew his contract. All right, let's go check out. I think there's one more sneaker shop. Let's go. All right, Finishline, man. I don't think I've ever seen anything at this Finishline, but look at all the people coming out. What the hell? I didn't see no bags though. And even they got the Dunks, man. That's crazy. Maybe a return. This is a huge size. But they do got a pair of these. Seen these on sale. Ooh, the 6s already on sale. PG6 is already on sale. The season hasn't even started, and he hasn't even worn these, and these bad boys are already on sale. Damn, dog. The Kumpo. These are the Immortalities, the budget model. The Curry budget models right here. These are on sale. I still haven't seen that many Curry 9s anywhere. The Curry 9s. But seen these. They're more up tempos. Got a couple of them. Starting to see more and more tempos. Kind of chilling, dude. So I was looking at all these, and then this did trick me right here, and I'm like, what the hell, man? And then Point Lanes. Man, that's disappointing. But they do have the 13s. Got the Griffies. I don't like the turquoise one. I haven't seen these in a while. Someone giving me info that those were cheaper at Champs. I didn't see them on sale at Champs. Maybe he's right there. I don't know. But yeah, dude got the 270s on sale as well. Vapor Max on sale, but barely. Only $30, man. Come on now. These $30 as well. There's the Air Max 96s. Really, rarely ever see these. Okay. Got a couple of them out. And they do have a bunch of stuff on sale, but just stuff that none of us are really looking for. All right, I think we're done. Gonna head out. There is a Reebok outlet. I don't know which vlog I'm gonna add it to, but all right, we'll stop by the Reebok and we're done. I was about to head out. Dude got this shop right here, Core? I don't know, they got Bape and stuff. Is this a resale shop? I think it is. It's like weird because it is a resale shop. They got, they got the stuff that we expect. I did figure they were a resale shop because they got Bape and stuff right here. But the Vans, like that's what threw me off. I was like, what? Like, especially on stuff like this. Like I know like some of the stuff might have resale, but what? All right, I'm not in the mood for a resale shop. Yeah, they got like Pumas. What the hell, dude? All right, I'm out, dude. This is dumb, dude. This is dumb. They even have globes. Like ain't no resale on globes and stuff. Like really on skate shoes. All right, man, we're out. I'm confused. I'm out. They do have one more resale shop. This one's been here for a while, and it just surprised me just because this is an outlet mall. But this has been here for several years now, so I guess it's been doing all right. I might be back here next week. I'm gonna have to stop by the Vans outlet as well as the Asics outlet next week, dude. Let's do that. I gotta go home though. All right, let's go.